Andy from Flushmate here. Today we're talking about cleaning the Flushmate vessel and cleaning inside the porcelain tank. Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the entire installation and owner's manuals. Because Flushmate systems are pressurized, make sure you completely shut off the water supply to the unit and flush it to release pressure. Failure to do so could result in damage or injury. For this job, you'll need a small bucket or pail and a towel. You should only use clean water and a towel to wipe down the Flushmate system if needed. As indicated on the Flushmate label, no chemical disinfectants or corrosive household cleaners should be used inside the toilet tank. Cleaning solutions and agents will shorten the life and void your warranty. Some examples of these solutions are petroleum-based lubricants, cleaning products containing chlorine, like household bleach, drop-in plugs, or disinfectants that are applied inside the china holding tank. You should follow the porcelain manufacturer's instructions for cleaning the outside of the toilet tank and the bowl. Here are some examples of the damage caused from the use of corrosive household cleaners. If corrosive household cleaners have been introduced into the toilet tank, it would be best to remove the Flushmate from inside the toilet tank and thoroughly clean the inside of the toilet tank and the Flushmate unit. For other resources and videos, visit us at www.flushmate.com/resources. For technical support and resources, you can contact Flushmate using the information below. Thank you.